Hey besties! I got another Colorful July mystery box. This is their winter one. I am super excited to see what's inside. So let's go. So starting off, opening up their box, you have the little welcome Colorful July card that comes in every single box. I always love the envelope thing that they stick it in. I think it is so unique and so pretty. Makes it feel very luxurious. It's got all their socials on the back and you can scan those QR codes. Very cute little touch. All right, and are you guys ready? I'm going to open it up and give you a little sneak peek really quick, and then I'm going to pull it out of the way, so you better be paying attention. Ready? Oh! Oh, what's in there? Oh! Oh, I'm excited! I love their mystery boxes. So the first item is a thermos. And I actually kind of knew that one of these was going to be in there from their website. I just didn't know exactly what one. And oh my goodness, this is so cute. When my son seen it, he wanted it so bad to give to his girlfriend, but I could not part with it. It is so freaking cute. Are you ready? Yeah, I'm building up the anticipation. Look at it. Oh my goodness. This is the cutest little My Melody thermos I think I have ever seen. So you push the little button and then it pops the top open. You can even fit like a thicker silicone straw in there. Super cute. Fit a decent amount. I think this is probably equivalent to like a 20 ounce. Maybe it's 16 though. I don't know. Either way, it is so freaking cute. And just to let you guys know that if you ever do see an item that you like in these mystery boxes, they do sell the items singly on their website. So you could go to the mystery box and then it will have a lot of those products listed below it that are for sale still on their website, just as single items. So just a little FYI. And then the next item is these super cute silver holographic butterfly stickers. And I didn't have any butterfly stickers, surprisingly. And we got these really cute little floral ones with the little bling on them. Then there's like ones you could put up by your cuticle area. Very cute. I don't have anything like this either. I absolutely love these ones. I think these are my favorite. The holographic like stars and moons and planets. Oh my goodness. These are so cute. Next item is these very cute. They're very hard to see, but they are little white roses and it has like the stem on it still. Very, very cute. And these ones are super cute too. These are totally giving Powerpuff Girl vibes. I love that they have like the little French tip part on there too. Then you got the little hearts. I love these. I definitely need to do another Powerpuff Girl set. It's been a while. And then I got this very cute little watercolor palette. I didn't have anything like this either. I have never actually done like watercolors on the nail. That's one thing I really enjoy about the Colorful July mystery boxes is it's such a big variety of stuff. You really never know what you're gonna get, and I love that it gives you just get to try so many different things. You know what I mean? I love a good mystery box. The next item, I was really excited about this. It is like one of those very shallow molds and it comes with a little scraper and it's got like filigree designs on it. There's like little snowflakes on there too, I think. But I have the cutest idea for a nail design with this. Very simple, subtle, very classic, chic nail design. I will definitely be doing that coming soon. Like, it'll probably be perfect for right around like Easter time because I want to use like pastel colors for it. That's super cool. Then we got a bunch of little gold embellishments. There's like some feathers, got some little stars, like the 6-pointed stars, some regular stars, got some little moon shapes, some little 4-pointed stars. You got some crosses, some little starfish, some seashells, some little like long triangle shape. There's like little circles. There's some super cute little lips in there too. I actually end up using one of the little lips in my birthday nail set on my blinged out nail. Yeah, those little lips. Super cute. I love the feathers too. And then the seashell ones will be perfect for summertime for like the water nail design or something. Maybe an aquarium set. Those would be perfect inside of an aquarium nail, because it would have enough weight to actually shift around in the liquid. Oh, I just got a really good idea. And then I actually really like this brush. It's a gel brush, but it's way wider than the normal gel brushes that I've seen. It is super soft. I will definitely be using this. I feel like I see a lot of people do an ombre look with a brush like this. So I definitely want to give that a go too, just to see if this brush maybe, I don't know, blends better than your average ombre brush. Your ombre brush! Then we got a magnet, which tells me there is going to be cat eye gel in there. And then this magnet I had actually been wanting because it works perfectly for the viral heart design with the cat eye gels. And then the first gel is a cat eye. This is 034 by Mowbray. I got a couple of their gels. I like their gels. This one is a really unique cat eye. It's like silver, but it has like nude undertones in it. Like a very light tannish nude undertone. Super pretty. Give it a little shift. And then we will go ahead and swatch it. I just kind of play around with it for a sec, so I will let you guys watch this part and I will pop back in. Isn't that such a unique cat eye? Like, I have ones that are similar in silver, but because it's got that like milky nude undertones, super pretty. And then we have another cat eye gel. This one was not numbered though, so hopefully on the website, if you did like this one and you wanted to purchase just this, they will have it kind of linked to the mystery box. I will double check too, just in case. It's a very pretty deep blue. And then there is 2 of the Air Cushion Magic Powder Pens. I was actually really excited about these. So we have a very pretty like rose gold chrome. And the powder part is actually in the lid. Isn't that cool? So you just kind of like, you know, twist it around a little if you need more onto the sponge applicator part. They can get a little messy though, because it's right up against the powder when you open it up, but very pretty. And the next item in the box is a sticker book. I feel like you can never have enough sticker books. I mean, for real. I got a couple in the beginning and I'm like, oh yeah, this will be enough. Oh no, I was wrong, especially with like the mystery boxes and stuff that I get. They always tend to have stickers in them. So I feel like you can never go wrong with too many of these. I do, however, wish when they made sticker books that they made the opening like on the top or something. I feel like trying to slide it in from that inner corner and then pull them out, especially if you have long nails, can be a pain in the butt. But still very glad to have another sticker book. And the next items were 6 different potted gels. We have this very pretty blue that unfortunately leaked past the seal. I did, however, get it cleaned up as best as I could. But I am using that brush that came in this box and I love it. Look how pretty that is. Then there is a brown. It's a very deep, like chocolate brown, but it's almost like a jelly. I bet if you did this thin enough, you could get it to look like super jelly. This would also probably work really well for doing like, if you like doing character art, for doing the outline. And then we have this really pretty like deep coral color. These all self-level beautifully too. They're super opaque. One coat coverage for the most part. I have quite a few of these from their boxes, and I like the brand, so as you can see, they apply beautifully. And we have this really pretty light purple. Definitely giving like Easter vibes for sure. I love a good pastel purple, really any purple. Purple and sage green, those are two of my favorite colors. But this one was just very, very Eastery to me. Look at how creamy that is. Oh, so pretty. And then there was 2 of these. There is a black and a white, very, very thick, like art gel consistency. These probably will not self-level super well. But if you are doing nail art, I would highly recommend doing it over a base coat. If you are working with thicker gels like this, it will help it self-level a lot better, because most of the time with the art gels, because they are so thick, they don't really move, you know? That dispersion layer from the base gel will help it kind of self-level a little bit. Just a little tip. Then we got all these colors swatched out. And then here is those 2 cat eyes again. Very pretty. And then here is a once over of everything that was in the mystery box and the photo album. I just didn't want to overload the picture frame with that photo album, but I like everything that came in here. I wasn't really getting winter vibes from this, so I'm not really sure why they labeled it as a winter seasonal box. But either way, again, I loved everything that was in it. I love that gel brush. I'm super excited to test out those art gels and the chrome powders. Pretty much everything, honestly. I want to do an aquarium set with those little gold embellishments. And then that silicone mold I want to use. Oh yeah, this was a good box for sure. And I love this thermos. It is so stinking cute. So a huge thank you to ColorfulJuly for sending this box over. I will leave everything I can linked down below for you guys. And yeah, that was it for this box. They did, however, send over a couple other items for me, which I'm super, super excited about. So they sent a bottle of mixing gel, and I will show you what that is for. They have the cat eye powders, you guys. And they sent over 4 of them. I was so excited. I love cat eyes, and these are everything. They are so pretty. I love that they're like the dual colors that shift like that, like a chameleon cat eye. Oh, so pretty. And you got the silver one. And that really pretty blue that has like some purplish red undertones to it. But I am going to use this really pretty, it's like a dark teal and blue and purple. This one is so pretty, you guys. So what you will do is, this is the easiest way I know to use this powder, but I've heard that you can put it on like a chrome pigment and get it to shift as well. But you will just put a little bit of that like mixing gel or a top coat. You can mix it with base coat. You could really mix it with anything like that. And then just get a tiny little bit of the pigment powder and mix it up. But I will have a dedicated video coming for cat eye, all the different cat eyes I have, the different magnets I have, how they can be used, how to maybe use the pigment powders in different ways, all the different techniques, kind of just a whole video to cat eye. I'm super excited too. I love a good cat eye. Look at how pretty that is. And then after you have it mixed, you will just scoop a little up and apply it to your nail as normal. And then again, don't cure once you have it applied, and then get your design how you like, and then pop it in the nail lamp for 60 seconds to cure. Look at that purple shift. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love this one. This one right here was probably my favorite one they sent over. I love the colors it shifts to. And I know it's kind of hard because of the angle I'm holding it at, but I can actually see the pigment still from where I'm sitting. But I will, reset it with the, look at that, right into my polish. Thank you, magnet. If ever you are messing with your cat eye and you kind of have manipulated it too much to where you don't like it, just hit it with your brush again and it will reset all the magnets in the pigment. And then you can just try again. Seeing right there, I'm doing the little heart. And I will show you guys in that cat eye video how to bend the paper clip as well to get that heart. I even know how to do a cat's paw, a crown, what else did I see? A 4-leaf clover, and then a cat's head, I think was the other one. I've seen quite a few of them now. Look at that cat eye. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. I want a whole nail set with this. Absolutely beautiful. But that is all that they had sent over. Again, I have quite a few different nail designs that I will be putting out in the upcoming weeks. And I will leave everything listed down below for you guys. So be sure to check that out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video for today. And that is it. I love you all so much. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!